Let's see what they're gonna do now. See what they're gonna do. See that? Oh, what's those mini? Those are mini drones. Look. Wow.
That ain't an animal.
No, not yet.
Is it changing different colours?
It looks like. Look. What's it gonna do now? Wow. Wow.
It's a globe. That is a globe.
That's a globe, yeah. Look. That's America, Africa.
Africa,
Yeah. And we see Europe at the other side.
Europe,
Yeah.
Australia,
Yeah.
Asia.
Yeah. She's gonna change again. Let's see. Look.
What's this?
Guess what's this? Wow. This is. I don't know what's
This
this.
is wild.
Huh?
It's supposed to say wild.
All right. Oh yeah, it's white. It looks like so it says white. Yes, true, white.
You can see wild.
Yeah.
It's it says wild. Now it's disappearing. Are you gonna look at animals?
Yeah. Let's see.
Wow.
Look at that. Oh.
What do you mean? Oh.
You like it? Let's see if we can guess which one is
I can
this.
see it's telling 3D now.
Huh?
It's telling 3D.
It's 3D, yeah.
Bro, why are you doing that to me? Are you gonna do it to an animal or not? It's raining. Wait, kangaroo. Peacock.
Peacock. Yeah, that's a
peacock.
peacock.
It's a
Oh yeah, well done, Kendra, for guessing. Yeah, that's a peacock.
It's a peacock.
Oh, now you begin to see the animals now.
Yeah.